What's up guys, welcome back to the channel for another video. In today's video we're going over some of the modifications that I did so far on the IS350. All right guys, let's head into it. First, I'm going over the stuff that I did in the interior, and then I'll do the exterior. Now for the interior, I upgrade to the fsport shift knob. It looks really nice. It's like carbon fiber, and you can see it says fsport right here, and it has the blue stitch in here, which looks really nice. And this second thing that I did is I wrapped this carbon fiber, and it looks really nice. Now the biggest thing I did here is upgrade to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto from Grom VLine. You see how colorful the background look. It's because I upgraded to iOS 14. Now I received a lot of questions on Instagram about this. With iOS 14, it's really cool. Like if you go to settings, you can change your wallpapers. You can choose either one, or you can choose black or black and white, or that gray up there. Now the one that I chose is this one. It's like red and blue and black. And if you go back again to settings, you can the preference, you can keep it on automatic or always black, and you can set your phone if you don't want to receive like text message while you're driving. You can do this as well, and there's a lot you can do with iOS 14. If I have to go through this video will take a while, and I believe if you press that here, you see how you can talk to Siri. So yeah, it's cool. And then you can, the map that I use, it's Google Map. Like this is my side up here. I can have, let's see, if I'm going to a road trip or something, I can use the navigation here on this side and listen to music at the same time. And if it's a music that you like right now, I'm listening to Pen Power, and that song by You A Drink by T-Pain is on. If I want to like this song, give it a thumb up, you can just click here, and then you give the song a thumb up, and then you can just go back here and then right back to normal. This is my setup when I'm driving, but you can always just leave it on music if you want to. So yeah, that was the modification that I've done so far in the interior of the car. Now let's go talk about the exterior. Now before we do the exterior, we're going to talk about the performance mod that I did so far. The first one is gonna be the fsport air intake, which sounds really good. I mean, I love how the intake sound. Now I can hear it because I have an exhaust, but when I then have the exhaust, that thing sounds really good. Now moving on with performance, it'll be the fsport chassis brace that I installed in this car quite about 2 years ago, and I really recommend it. A lot of people think that it doesn't do much, but trust me, it does. Not that you feel it like when you're in straight line, but trust me, when you taking corners, this thing does work. And the next one is the F Sport sway bars, and this one is definitely one of the best thing you can do to this car. I did both front and rear. There's a lot of people said that you don't need the front, just do the rear. Trust me, you need both of them, because it's just, that was one of the best things that I've done to this car. If you have an IS, I recommend that to give those F Sport sway bars a try. Now, another thing that I did for performance is the Invidia Catback exhaust. This thing sounds freaking, I don't know, it just sounds so good. Between the F Sport air intake and this Catback exhaust, the car sounds really good. I have no complaint at all about this car one, because to me this car one is perfect. Okay guys, I think that's set for performance, if I'm not missing anything. So now let's talk about all the other mods that I've done to this car. The very first one that I did was the grill. It's the black shoe round grill. I bought this off eBay, and to be honest, they don't make this anymore for 2011 to 2013. This one was actually the last one when I bought this. I think it was around 2015 when I bought it, and a lot of people keep messaging me on Instagram asking me where I had this, and I told them that they can check online, but I don't think they'll find those anymore. They still make them for 2008 to 2010, but for the 2011 to 13, I just can't find those anymore. The next one is gonna be the carbon fiber front lip. It looks really nice. I love how it looks like, but unfortunately I already have it a little chip there. I was on the highway, and then there was a big truck to a piece of rock. I knew the rock hit something. At first I was thinking it was the bumper, but find out is this here, which sucks because I just installed that like a month ago. The other thing that I did is the fog light bulb. I switched those to LEDs, and I also installed these carbon fiber rear bumper lips, which looks really nice. I love how they make the rear of the car looks a little bit more aggressive. Now the only thing I have to install is this side skirt. Next one is the VLine tail light, dark smoke. I have them for about a year and a half now. Now I'm thinking about switching to the red ones. I don't know yet, but we'll see. I just love how they look, and especially at night. A lot of people told me to try the headlights, but I still like my stock headlights, so we'll see. Next one is the carbon fiber rear roof spoiler, which looks nice. I love how this look. I had another one, it was all black. I replaced it with this one, and to me I think that this one look way more aggressive than the other one that I had on there. I painted my brake calipers orange. As you can see, this is the front and this is the back, and I also painted my wheels black, but soon I'll get new wheels to replace this stock one. All right guys, that's it. That's all the modifications that I've done to his car so far. I'll do a part 2 when I'm done with everything, and if I forgot anything, I'll mention it in the next video. Oh yeah, by the way, I also wrap those chrome piece on the car black as well, but as you can see here, it's coming off here. So yeah, that's something that I have to redo. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumb up, and if you are new to the channel and like what you see, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. And all the modification that I did on this car, I have videos and all of them, they are in the channel if you want to check them out. All right guys, I'll see you in the next one.
Perfect.